guys, it's Ben and Bo's vlog, and today we're going to be playing helicopter. Yep, with his cousin, sister, and my sister is a camera girl. Okay, let's do it.
That is the person who's swinging that rope, and they are going up against each other.
Okay, guys, I meant his brother, not her brother. We're doing
His sister.
Elimination round. Ready? Okay, go.
Fail. Eliminate. Okay, Ben isn't on the hoverboard. Bo isn't on the birds. Are you okay, Ben? Yeah. I thought you never said what. No. Okay. Okay, guys. Next round of helicopter.
Oh, did you get that?
Yep. Okay, go.
I like that. Ow! That's silly. Hi!
Ben.
This is so easy. Oh, I got hit.
Guys, comment down below if you want to see the family gymnastics challenge. Ow!
We have to get at least one. We have to get 15 likes. No, we have to get 1 like. No.
When you just give up.
Grab it. Ben, you're terrible. Ow! I'm not playing.
Good.
What? Ben's being a baby. Harder.
Brother, sister fight.
I think it hit me. I saw that. Oh. Faster. I'm not playing. Okay. Yeah. You're in.
Okay.
I'll film. No, I'm in. Okay.
Ow!
Jade quit, so she's a camera girl.
Stop.
Yeah. My sister's in.
What are you doing, you nose cheese muscle?